Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today is freestyle, and I am choosing to do a blue Teatime tablescape using this Lazy Susan from the Dollar General for just $5 with some pretty blue flowers, and it reads Home Sweet Home. So I place that in the center of the table, and then I'll be adding a little teacup with some sand in it, and I placed a spiral blue candle in it. And I have two of those. And then I'll add my little Japanese teapot. Now, I thrifted that years ago, and I'm actually using the little cups to it to hold the candle. But it had 8 cups, I believe. And then behind that is, this is what I am keeping the sugar in, a little ginger jar. So this is what the centerpiece is. It's my Japanese tea set. Now, keeping with the blue theme, I'm going to be using this Twinings Winter Spice tea along with Prince of Wales, both from Twinings. They are very good teas. So I'm going to place 2 of each on the Lazy Susan. Now, I decided not to use a tablecloth or a table runner for today's tablescape. Now, also from the Dollar General is this pumpkin and fruit canister with some blue flowers in it. And I have 2 of those. So I'm going to place those on each side of the tea set. The canisters did come with a lid, but I just removed the lid and added the pretty faux blue flowers to it. Next, I'm going to be adding this really pretty butterfly placemat from the Dollar Tree, along with the matching plate to the canisters with the blue pumpkins and grapes. Now, this was the Dollar General for just $1. And then I have this really pretty bluish napkin with a gold and silver spoon. Since this is mainly just for tea today, I'm just going to add the spoon. And then also from the Dollar General, this really pretty blue drinking cup. I think that's really pretty. I just recently got those. And here's the matching cup that I'm going to place on top of the plate. That was also only $1 from the Dollar General. So here's what it looks like so far. This is going to be a setting for 4. And here is another drinking cup. It's more of a greenish tint, so I got 2 blue and 2 green. I think they look really pretty. And then, of course, I've got my Japanese teacup that I'll sit next to it. I know I've got 2 cups there. One could be for coffee and the other one for tea. And now I've set all the table settings. And here's what it looks like all the way around. Now do stay tuned because I will be lighting the candles. But I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Thanks again for watching. See you all next week. Bye-bye for now.